Good boy. I just have way too much gear. Okay, let's go.
Hi Tushar, this looks lovely. क्या कर रहे हो तुम?
वीडियो रिकॉर्ड कर रहा हूँ आपकी बर्थडे का स्पेशल.
Thank you.
आपकी 60th बर्थडे है.
60 की होगी तेरी.
We're still discussing where everybody needs to go. Absolute chaos.
आप तीनों इधर पीछे फिट हो सकते हो.
नहीं आ सकते.
अरे 5 सीटर कार में एडजस्ट कर लो. आज ही नहीं रहे यार लोग. चल जाओ.
So we've come to this resort. Today I'm just gonna I just want to give an update about my music and what I'm doing with it, where it's going, and a couple other things. Should be interesting. It's a beautiful day. I've been following all these vloggers, and you know, Casey Neistat being one of my favorite YouTubers, and this is all he does. So I wanted to see how it feels, and since I do have a YouTube channel now, I wanted to document this day a little bit. Okay man, थोड़ा मुझे कुछ चाहिए यार, content चाहिए. Okay, okay man.
बहुत अच्छा काम किया तूने. इससे बढ़िया काम तूने आज तक.
सब लोग तालियां बजाओ इसके लिए.
स्टैंड दिया था.
Okay, we have started attacking the food. Tauji,
Yeah.
what's for lunch?
Puri aloo, standard classic food.
Classic.
I'll tell you the best part. This is the best part.
Chicken keema.
Ram.
We're gonna go to the pool now. Let's go. So this is a beautiful pool, and I haven't been in a pool for a really long time, so I'm looking forward to it. Ma, what about you? You looking forward to going to the pool?
I want to be in the camera. मैंने 2 गिलास पी लिया आज.
2 गिलास पी लिए. माँ ये व्लॉग में जाने वाला है तो देख लो तुम. पानी.
Pepsi.
Pani. She drank 2 glasses of water. Nothing else. Okay, so I just came out of the pool and it was a great day. It's about 5:52 p.m. right now, so we were in the pool for about 4-5 hours, which is absolutely insane. And I want to talk about a couple of things. I've written them down here. One of the first things I wanted to talk about is new music. When did I release my last song? Yeah, it was May 1st, 2020. So it's about a year since I released my last song, and I haven't been able to work on new music because I've been focusing on a lot of things, a lot of different things, but I do have some material on me, and the idea is to start working on that and hopefully release something by the end of the year. I might be working with other producers on this because I think that's an easier way to get things done. If you collaborate, if you work with other people, bound to finish faster and get your work done a little more quicker. Another thing I wanted to talk about is the reason I haven't been working on music the entire last year, and I think this is a smart transition because you know the pandemic happened and it just messed things up for musicians. So I was able to figure out a way where I could financially be a little stable and not live as the cliched broke musician. So I started Grease Release, which actually teaches musicians how to make money using playlists. But at the end I realized that music is the one thing which really gets me going. I mean, everything else is nice, it's interesting, no doubt, but I think making music and pushing it out, having people talk about your music and tell you how much it means to them really gets me going. So another thing is, what are my future plans? I think once everything starts opening up, I'll be able to tour. And the one thing I don't like is that everyone just solely relies on music to make a living. There's so much pressure on doing a gig which pays you well, and I don't want to be in that spot. I want to be able to take gigs which don't pay that well, but I can afford to take them because I have other businesses running. So that's one thing which I have focused on this last year. So I don't have to worry too much because I have managed to do other things on the side which can sustain my livelihood as a musician. So one of my future plans is to generate enough passive income so I can start touring across the globe and not worry too much about money. This is a new kind of video I'm trying. If you found this interesting, this is something you want me to continue, just put it down in the comments. That's about it. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time.